From Wondery Kids Wow in the World.
Ooh, what's that? Is it a wig? Or burnt spaghetti?
Mindy, that's a bird's nest.
Peep the wow with Wondery Kids Wow in the World Kids Binoculars and Nature Explorer Kit. With 3 times magnification power, these binoculars help kids spot amazing natural wonders from far away. And the included scavenger hunt gives awesome ideas of what to look for. Study birds, bugs, critters, and more. And keep track of your findings in your handy logbook. A sturdy neck strap ensures you can keep your binoculars close at hand. And the specimen box is a perfect place to store small souvenirs from your adventures. The kit also comes with a compass to help you track your location as you explore. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive wow facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
Scientists estimate that there are around 3 trillion trees on our planet. What types of trees can you spot?
Discover your world with Wondery Kids Wow in the World Kids Binoculars and Nature Explorer Kit for curious kids ages 4 and up.
From Wondery Kids
and Thames and Cosmos.